of Tiger Kung Fu, and several Tiger masters at Imperial Combat Arts train and master 5 distinct styles of Tiger Kung Fu, and several sub-styles, that come together seamlessly as one complete mixed martial art. These styles allow any size of fighter to master Tiger, and give Tiger masters the ability to fight any size or type of fighter they encounter, both armed and unarmed. Imperial Tiger masters all realms of combat from grappling and ground fighting to leaping and running.
To Las Vegas Burning Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today radio, the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial, Tiger Kung Fu. I enjoy so much for the earlier training, with all the basics. Now, actually, we're towards to combo and a part of the form. Everything with training for any kind of form or Kung Fu style, basics is very important. You have to know how to apply with the hand or boom, the kick, the speed, the power. Say, wow, why is someone doing so good? Their level so high. This is coming from 1,000 times of training. So for example, we got just knows the move, and techniques is very important. Doing the arm straight, bam, apply the best. Not only the technique, also the power, speed to make it the most effective boom, strike. Right? Also, it prevents your injury. If someone not doing right for your finger, not training enough for your power, or for those kind of things, you might just get your fingers important to know the right technique and basics. Let's start the last pixel for today's combo, which is the Tiger Kung Fu. Go! So this is the elbow. Have the 格肘, the elbow from up to down and from down to up. That way. So you go flat, the elbow attack was this way. Of course, your body lean a little bit this way, and your left hand support and push more power and speed right here. I go, boom, elbow. So you got a quick step to right, and you rotate, and eye to looking this target. Go shoot. The speed is really coming from your waist, your arm. So you go elbow. So your arm go first, and then you make the step, and you got to twist. You feel or you see the target, and then you make zoom the spinning kick. As soon you got it's hiding, it's hitting the floor. But for the real fight, this is grappling movement. Yeah, as I said, this is grappling movement. So once after the kick, you're gonna quick use hand grappling and you pull back your opponent will be fall. That's your goal. The leg, and then you use your shoulder, you pull down, and then that's how you want to fight with your Tiger Kung Fu. Got this, so boom, elbow attack direction this way, and I go quick spinning, boom, I go grabbing the leg. You got to go boom, back sweep. So let's quick to go through this back sweep kick, right? So go low you can, because you go lower, and you are like to go longer, so you can to reach your target or opponents, right? So that's the way you can see. Heel up, use your toe, your body stay center. So that's how you can span. So like this, first move, right? This one, and then you gotta push your hand hard. Other side. If you want to do 360, you gotta rotate your wrist harder, push your hand on the floor and quicker and harder. So like and to practice repeatedly, and that's the speed how you can go, right? So with beginners, you just want to go one, you do halfway, raise your target right there, and you gotta raise your target. So now you can shoot, boom. So you gotta kick on the other side. So this is the back sweep kick. So the other one, like this, you see, it's spinning with the leg, with your knee, and then you can sweep back, or you got up quick to do whatever you need to do. You go push this way. As soon as you get this, your both hand become tiger hand, and you go down and push right here. Plus, your left hand is blocking like this, just protect your head, and this hand is also attack. So you got shoot, to make your stance very solid and strong with this. Knee down, this. So you go boom, bigger knee right here. So your body lean a little forward like this. So you go same power with your waist. Okay. Alright, so for this combo, they have a lot of rotation, spinning kick, and spinning back with your back sweep. It wasn't easy to keep your balance and speed, all the movement all put together. So training move by move, step by step. You have to give a patience to achieve those combos, especially for older age. Actually, I'm not young anymore. You want the best speed for this kick, you just got to go from 0 speed, 1 speed, number 2 speed, and you build up. And then with repeat training, everything will eventually will come in. So be safe. So another great combo, the first move, you both hand to hold tight, and this is called a Gua Gai. So of course you attack by this side of your hand, you go attack the height, right? So go this way, and this one just followed by behind. Use this part of your fist and to attack. You gotta to twist, your shoulder relax, go really quick down. Go one left, and go up, you go attack, and right, and you go relax. So that's how you're training for this basics. 1, 2, and 3. Go. 1, 2. So after this, you gotta get that. This is a great combo too. This is the blocking move, and this is punch straight. So blocking and punch, very very strong movement. So this one you cannot to do too big, and that's just slow down. Then people can really find the gap and hit your height, right? So you got just go sit over. So you got to training repeatedly. Shoulder relax. Don't move at all. Your waist. Just your hand, of course, with power. You can block. You got that speed, and you gotta go and stop. Punch with your steps, like very very small steps, like that. You need a quarter speed with your hand. So you go right, left, and punch with your right. So you do slow 1 and 2 and 3, and then you can find the rhythm. Make that ba ba 1 2 1 2. And then you can make it a little faster. Then 1 2, and go then you can adding the speed. The other one is your punch, and they have to be strong with your steps. After this, you can go. You say this is called the Neos kick. It's a very useful, powerful kick. When it's called the Neos kick, I think it's very few kick technique you use your toes. Your toe just like a knee and boom. You gotta go one. So you gotta lift your knee and like this way. And you gotta twist. You gotta twist your and go boom. That's how boom you go. Time you say you're gonna push palm. So the palm can be attack or just protect right this way. So you can kick and this way you can blocking. Or you can go attack, go shoot, and after landing, and you gotta punch right, left. This is all about speed. It's a great combo. So you go boom, kick, and with your punch. After you go ha. So blocking this is punch. That's really powerful move. So this so great move. Your elbow circle. This is defense move, and then you stay tall, and you go elbow. That is connect the movement. We're gonna do boom, kick. We're gonna to put all the basics combo together to achieve today Tiger Kung Fu. So follow me from the first move until the end. Step your left, become Tiger hand, to go low stance. Quick stand up. You make use a kick. Landing, knee lift, kick. Down. Punch your right. Use your shoulder, roll. Make sure your both leg, your both toes are same position, and to make big jump. Hungry tiger looking for food. This to quick stand up, your both hand become fist, so you go attack by your left and right. The gua gai, and you go blocking and punch with your strong punch, and then news kick, a quick 1-2 punch. Then you stop, boom. Low stance with blocking and punch. Finish this. You go elbow to attack the back. Quick rotate arm, your waist, make spinning kick. And both hands from top. Hit the floor. Quick reset to go to drop stance. We're gonna to do the back swoop. Come back. Both hands right your waist. And you twist with your tiger hand. Left on top. And right to attack. Whew. Yes, we done all the content for Tiger Kung Fu today. I hope you like the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial as much as I enjoyed teaching it. The next part for the colleague is about fun. Have good training and work hard, but don't forget to enjoy the moment you spend with your family. The good man can create success, but the great man can create your family. Of course, before that, if you're first time here, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss out the next video. And leave your comment below what style of Kung Fu tutorial you'd like me to do for the next one. Let's go.
Many men can make a fortune, but very few can build a family. Seeing the family is a very important part of my weekend. If you want your children to improve, let them overhear the nice things you say about them to others. When everything goes to hell, the people who stand by you without flinching, they are your family. At the end of the day, I got to live my life for my family, for my children, and I'm going to do what's best for them. My priority is to hang out with the ones I love, my family, my loved ones. Family is not an important thing, it's everything.